Hi, my name's Mary Campbell. I'm the art teacher here at Vanguard. And if you are at home with your kids and just need something to do in the winter, something fun that you can sit and do with them, things that you might have around your house you can use, I have a couple ideas for you. So one of them is this Snowman twirler. He's kind of fun, and you can just make him out of a paper plate, and with the same idea you can also make just a snowflake one. So let me just quickly show you how to do this. So all I use, these are the cheap paper plates. These happen to be coated. They don't have to be, and you don't have to spend a lot of money. You might just have them sitting in your cupboard like I did. And what you need to do first is to draw a spiral on this. So I'm going to use a black marker. You can use a pencil. I'm only using a black marker so you can actually see what I'm doing. And you're going to start at the outer edge, and then you're going to start to do this spiral. And keep coming in and making it a little smaller. Now since we're doing a snowman, I'm not going to keep going all the way in. If you wanted to do this one with just snowflakes, you could make it smaller. Okay, so now what we're going to do, you're going to take some scissors, start on this outer edge. You're just following the line. Some of your children at home may need help with this because they have to keep turning the plate, but that's okay. Okay, so then this is our basic spiral, but now I want to make a little face on here, but first I'm going to put a hat on him. So I had some black paper. Let's say you don't have any black paper. You could just use white paper and color it in. And see this part? I'm going to lift it up and I'm going to put the black paper in there, like slide it in. And the whole reason is so that I can draw a hat. I'm going to make a line here. And I am going to include a link of directions for you. A Word document that you could actually print out and use with the video if you wanted to. So that's like his hat, right? So I can take that out. So there's a space here. It's hard to see, I'm sure. I'm going to finish that line and then cut out the hat. And then I can glue him on. So now what I'm going to do is put some glue on here. All right, here's my glue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a line of glue here, hard to see, and put my hat on. So now maybe it'll start to look like a snowman, and I'm using a permanent marker. You can use whatever marker you have. You can even use a pen. I'm just going to draw his face. Permanent markers are nice because then, like, if you want to color it in with like a crayon or even another marker, it doesn't smear. And you can make little dots here for his mouth, or you can just make a regular smile. Okay, so for arms, once again, if you don't have brown paper, you can just use white and color it in. And all I did, I like to cut more than one out. Let's say you want to make 2 snowmen, so then you can have extra arms. You just draw the arms and cut them out and then paste them on. Just make sure when you're pasting them, you don't want to do it down here somewhere. You want to do it up near the face, because remember, we're going to lift it up. So it'll look kind of funny if his arms are really low. You know, here's his arms. But now I have 4 arms instead of 2, and I can always make a friend. So like I might put it on this one. Put a couple dots and stick your arms on. And then the only other thing is to put the hole there, put your string so you can lift them up. And then you can use the same patterns to do, look, I did snowflakes. You can make a lot of other fun things with that. And the only other thing is we are going to include how to make this out of the paper plate, and also how to make a regular snowflake, which is a lot of fun too. Have a great time.